Good morning, welcome to SouthernCrossGO. My name's Grant. Now today we're going to go in and review this like buffet plus it's a la carte as well food place in Denpasar. Been hearing a lot about it, people have been talking about it, been seeing it on Instagram, things like that, so we're going to check it out. Its name is RAVAOLI. I'll leave a link in the description for where it is. So let's go hit RAVAOLI. Okay, so this is it. It's called RAVAOLI, Italian restaurant and bakery. And apparently it's like a smorgasbord, buffet type thing, and also a la carte, you can choose what you want. Looks very quiet, it's lunchtime, it's on a Friday, there's no one in here yet. So we'll go in, we'll see what's going on. Okay, so this is it, looks like there's upstairs as well here. So, and there's like, yeah, it's like a buffet thing. You can pick eggplant, roast chicken, mac and cheese, lasagna, baked chicken roll, chicken stroganoff, potatoes, garlic bread, meatballs, chicken liver, spicy chicken, Polo pizza, that is, chicken mushrooms. All right. And it looks like there's also an outside setting out here, so we'll check that out. Okay, so there's a little outdoor setting out here. Might be a bit hot out here, but it's a nice little area. Right. Ada di atas juga. All right.
Yeah.
Can look and film?
Yes, please.
All right. Okay, so there's an upstairs. It's not open now. It's only open for a special event. Hello. Okay, wow, it's big up here. It's very hot up here. But this is the outside area. It's pretty big, very big actually. And looks like there's another little outdoor setting. You can sort of sit out there. To be very hot, way too hot. But this is for functions and special events and stuff like that. Okay, so we'll have a quick look at the menu. Now there's a starter menu. Beef cabrossia, avocado salad, a wood board, looks like prosciutto or something like that on it. And then there's a couple of sweet corn soups, mushroom soup, tom yum soup. Oh, they must be open for breakfast. There's also a big breakfast, 67,000, which is pretty well priced really for breakfast. So they've got spaghetti bolognese, carbonara, all the Italian type foods, fettuccine seafoods, ravioli, cream and mushroom. Then there's penny salad, penny arrabbiata, I don't even know how to pronounce them. And pizzas, Popeye pizza, calzones, meat lover pizza. If you've never had a calzone before, it's like a pizza folded in half, and then when they bake it, it all puffs up and it's sort of like a giant pasty, you know. Pizza pasty, not too bad, but right. So there's also steaks, chicken steak, tenderloin steak, steak burger. Doesn't look like there's any bread, it's just a patty and chips, grilled tuna, salmon, more steak dishes, chicken cordon bleu, chicken parmigiana, pork ribs. Right, and then there's cakes, waffles, cakes, pancakes, and that's basically about it. Beverage list. Don't think there's any alcohol in here. There's not. Anyway, so I'm not sure what we're going to get. What are we going to get?
Maybe I'm going to get the buffet and raffia with the takeaway.
All right, so you more or less pick what the prices are there, like lasagna 30,000. Yeah, chicken mushroom 31, beef stroganoff 26,000. So you just pick what you want, they just charge you by what you take. And then there's some veggies up here, some mixed veggies and beans, carrots, spinach, which is probably what we do it, bayam.
Spinach, yes.
So it's bayam, the local spinach, which is really nice.
The potato salad.
Oh, potato salad, all right. Okay, so Might just pick a few things, and then if we want, we can order more later. Yeah. Okay, so what are you getting, Yuli?
Gonna get chicken stroganoff, garlic bread, and then eggplant.
All right. Okay, so I get the beef stroganoff.
Chocolate bake something out.
I will. And lasagna. All right, and I'll get the eggplant as well, and some bread, garlic bread.
How many garlic bread?
Oh, it's wonderful. Yeah. And you can see they've also got croissants and stuff in here. All right. Nice. So I suppose you can just come in for a coffee and get a cinnamon roll or a croissant. Very nice.
Special price.
Oh yeah? Sunset price?
They start from 6 p.m. They have 50% discount.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
50.
all right. So from 6 p.m. there's 15%
Except this one.
discount.
The plain one.
Okay, so if you want to come in just for a coffee or something, get a plain croissant and a cappuccino for $35,000. It's about $3.50 Australian. Very cheap. And they've got a proper coffee machine, which is good. Also got the menu up here where you can easily pick from the menu. Okay, so that was very quick because it's pre-made and you're just picking it, it's already warm, so they brought it straight to the table. Some garlic bread, my lasagna, beef stroganoff, and just some turong or like eggplant. So we'll try that out. Really basically got the same thing without the ravioli. Does that mean you're going to steal my ravioli, is it? Okay, so we'll try out the stroganoff. Okay, so yeah, then you can pay with card or you can pay cash, whichever way you want to pay. And yeah, it's pretty good. It was about $190,000, about $19 for two of us with drinks. The avocado juice was really nice. The juices were nice. Really got a coffee. And yeah, so check it out. Ravioli in Denpasar. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you. So yeah, that was fairly nice. It's nice and cool in there anyway, it's air conditioned, and it's just starting to get a few people coming in now because it's sort of just right on lunchtime now. So anyway, yeah, if you like that place, yeah, check it out. Ravioli, Italian restaurant.